Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Chevrolet Volt 2011 to 2015? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2011 to 2015 Chevrolet Volt manages essential interior electrical systems, including the infotainment, climate control, and power outlets. It safeguards circuits for components such as the instrument cluster, USB ports, and accessory power, ensuring reliable operation of the vehicle's cabin electronics. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2015 Chevrolet Volt manages and protects major powertrain and high-voltage components, including the engine, cooling system, and electric drive modules. It ensures stable electrical flow and safeguards critical systems for efficient hybrid operation. The rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2015 Chevrolet Volt powers and protects rear electrical systems such as lighting, battery management, and charging components, ensuring reliable vehicle operation. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.